15 low-effort and healthy dinner recipes. This is your best friend guide to cook delicious, healthy dinners recipes for you and your family with minimal effort. From healthy chicken and meat recipes to light pasta or salmon dinners, these super easy and healthy meals are on the table in 30 minutes or less and make a great option to grab the basics if you're just getting started learning to cook. Most of these easy recipe ideas only require a skillet, 2 basic ingredients, and spices, and believe us, it is more than enough to whip up some delicious and healthy meals in a breeze. Enjoy! 1. Garlic butter chicken bites with lemon asparagus. This easy chicken recipe with asparagus is a winner for dinner time. Chicken bites are so juicy, tender, and delicious you'll eat them hot right off the pan. This low-carb, keto-friendly one-pan chicken dinner is ready in under 30 minutes. So much flavor and so easy to throw together. 2. Salmon and asparagus foil packs with garlic lemon butter sauce. Whip up something quick and delicious tonight. Salmon and asparagus are baked together with a rich buttery sauce in individual foil packs. The bright lemon flavor pair perfectly with butter, and garlic adds a pungent touch to this wonderful carefree dinner. This easy oven-baked salmon in foil recipe is a winner. 3. Garlic butter steak bites with lemon zucchini noodles. So much flavor and so easy to throw together. Sirloin steak cubes are marinated and cooked to perfection in a delicious garlic butter sauce and served with healthy, low-carb zucchini noodles. Ready in 30 minutes or less, this easy healthy recipe will make all of your family go crazy. 4. Garlic butter turkey meatballs with lemon zucchini noodles. An easy and nourishing skillet meal that keeps carbs low and morale high for dinner. 5. 15 minute garlic butter chicken with Parmesan cauliflower rice. Crispy, soft and so delish. These thin chicken cutlets served with rich and fragrant cauliflower rice are just perfect for those busy weeknights. 6. 15 minute lemon garlic butter steak with zucchini noodles. So much flavor and nearly impossible to mess up. Delicious juicy marinated steak and zucchini noodles cook up together in just one pan for a quick low-carb meal you'll be crazy about. 7. Creamy garlic Tuscan salmon with spinach and sun-dried tomatoes. Another easy dinner idea. Smothered in a luscious garlic butter spinach and sun-dried tomato cream sauce, you won't believe how easy, fast and simple it is to cook salmon this way. These deliciously seasoned, Tuscan salmon fillets are juicy and tender on the inside with perfect crisp edges. 8. Cilantro lime shrimp with zucchini noodles. Shrimp and zucchini noodles make a perfect low-carb option when you're looking for a quick, light dinner that's packed with flavor. 9. Pineapple barbecue chicken foil packets in oven. So easy and packed with tons of flavor. Moist and tender chicken breasts are cooked to perfection in foil packets with sweet pineapple and delicious summer veggies. You'll love the simplicity. 10. Tomato spinach shrimp pasta. A low-effort, nourishing dinner ready in just 30 minutes. Al dente pasta is tossed with spicy grilled shrimps, tomatoes, fresh spinach, garlic, and a drizzle of olive oil. This healthy meal will become your new favorite for busy weeknights. 11. Garlic butter chicken bites with lemon zucchini noodles. These delicious chicken bites are so juicy and tender you'll eat them hot right off the pan. 12. Crisp tender baked garlic chicken with potatoes. Loaded with garlic and delicious roasted potatoes, chicken is incredibly crisp tender and totally foolproof. This healthy recipe will become a staple in your weekly meals rotation. 13. Baked honey garlic salmon. A whole salmon fillet coated in honey mustard garlic sauce gets baked in foil and broiled to a flaky finish. A no-fuss, healthy dinner recipe on the table in just 25 minutes. 14. Honey Dijon chicken and veggies foil packs. These honey Dijon chicken and veggies foil packs make for a savory and nourishing dish. Chicken fillets are steamed with spices and veggies, perfect for a quick and healthy dinner. 15. 20 minute healthy sausage and veggies one pot. This one pot sausage and veggies is a down-home, healthy, inexpensive, and delicious meal that you'll love to make again and again.